This is one of my favorite pillows because it conforms to my neck and my head, but it is too big and it's uncomfortable, so I'm going to fix it. First, undo some of the stitches. Then remove the fillings from the pillow, and then you can just adjust until you reach the desired height and firmness of your pillow. For the excess filling, you can put it inside any of your pillow that is flat that needs extra filling. I have a small pillow that was already flat, so I'm putting it on that pillow to make it a little bit fluffy. Then you can just hand stitch the pillow to close the opening. So now we are going to try it. So now this is a perfect size pillow because I used to have my pillow very high and my neck would go like this. And that's going to give stress on my neck and my spine. Now with this, now after I adjust my pillow, my spine is in neutral position, if you notice it. And it's not going to give stress on my neck. This is a perfect size for me. Now if I sleep on my side, I used to have my head up here like this, and my pillow was high. But now, with this pillow, there's no stress on my neck because it's now my spine is aligned. So it's perfect. So there you have it. Good night. So I was able to try it last night, and I woke up very refreshed and no neck pain. Yahoo! If you learned something from this video, please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Daghang salamat.